Hello, I'm John from Janitorial Consulting, America's #1 commercial cleaning franchise alternative. Let me ask you a couple questions. Are you tired of working for someone? Do you want to become your own boss? Are you looking for an opportunity to live out the American dream and take charge of your own destiny? With Janitorial Consultants' proven success and expertise for over 37 years in the commercial cleaning industry, we can help you. Our one-time low-cost step-by-step program is a complete process from A to Z of everything you need to know from starting, managing, and growing your very own commercial cleaning service business from scratch. Our program will guide, direct, teach, and educate you on all aspects of launching and managing your very own commercial cleaning business. The program is written in an easy to understand format. It is laid out exactly as we recommend that you read and use to launch your business. That's why if you choose to purchase our program in success, you will start your business off of a strong foundation because you will have years of our experience and expertise behind you. The very best part is that you are not purchasing our program and being left alone. Once you make the purchase, you become a member of Janitorial Consulting, and you will have access to question and answer support so that we can help you get your business launched successfully and then grow and scale it. Let me say that again. You are not left alone. You will have our complete support every step of the way. Our proven program is only $895. There are no other fees and no contracts to sign. This is what makes Janitorial Consulting America's #1 franchise alternative. If you want to leverage our almost 4 decades of success in the commercial cleaning space, your next step can change your life. When you make this purchase, you're going to receive an almost 400-page step-by-step document that has every system and process to make you successful. You're also going to have access to our proprietary bidding software and participation in our online community. If this is for you, make the purchase today and we will be in touch immediately to help you fulfill your American dream.